Starts right up. Oh, thank you, Cycle Gear battery tender. What's going on, guys? Mike Seps, I'm back. That was a little longer hiatus than I anticipated. You know what? I'm not gonna lie, it got cold. I'm a little bit of a bitch, so I wasn't really riding. But then Christmas Day, because we don't have any family out here and we didn't go home. Christmas Day, I went out for a ride. I got 2 vlogs worth of footage and get home, super stoked about it. Felt like it went great. Turns out GoPro, this little guy right here, recorded 0 audio, nothing. It's not like there was ambient and so like the mic wasn't plugged in. It was legit nothing. It was like the mic was plugged in but not well enough to actually do anything. So I don't know. So hopefully this ride goes a little bit better. So I was actually challenged by Mr. J Fast up in the Great White North to do a 3x3 challenge. So that's going to be 3 things that you may or may not know about me, followed by my 3 people that I'm going to call out, and I want to see the same style of video from you. So 3 things that your audience slash subscribers slash friends may or may not know about you. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing that I have to say that most of you probably don't know about me, and actually my friends have called me out on it because they're questioning it, but I actually call myself an introvert. That's changed over the years. Back when I was younger, I was always up for whatever kind of shenanigans there were, and trust me, there was lots in a small mountain farm hick town. There's lots of things to get in trouble with, and I did most of them. I was actually called out for not being an introvert. My friend claimed that I was an extrovert and said that it is 100% opposite, and I said nope. So I had to explain to her that I've changed quite a bit since high school. Thing number 2 that you may or may not know about me is that I'm a little bit of a musician, and I've been playing guitar for, I don't know, 17, 18 years, something like that now. You know, kind of fell into the, I always need the new and shiny, so I think my oldest guitar right now is probably, I don't know, I've had that one for a while. I got an old Epiphone SG. It's probably 10 to 11 years old now. But other than that, everything else is a lot newer. And I don't play nearly as much as I used to, which I guess that's just kind of how life goes. You know, you get a job where you got to work 40, 50, 60 hours, sometimes out of town, not coming home until late Friday night, and then you got to spend time with the wife and the friends, and you just kind of lose that alone time. So yeah, but I still play every once in a while. I was in a couple of bands back in high school, and that was interesting. You know, of course we thought we were like the big shit and top dog and everything, but obviously we didn't actually practice enough or play enough to make that dream come true. I feel like I may have missed my turn for wherever I was trying to go. Oh well, exploring time. So item number 3 that you may or may not know about yours truly. I actually gotta think on this one for a minute. Everything I get into, I dive in hard. Like, I don't ever want to just like half-assedly know something about something. Like, if I'm actually interested in it, then I dive in all the way, deep in, and I kind of fully immerse myself in it, and I really just get tunnel vision on it for the short foreseeable future. And this has happened in everything. So like I said, I played music for a long time, So I was playing, you know, 4 or 5 hours a day every day for like 6 years, basically from freshman year up until I got a real adult job. And then the next big one would have to be disc golf. I picked that up about 4 years ago. First 2.5, 3 years, I was out playing 4 or 5 times a week, which was okay at times when the missus was going to school and, you know, she was working weird hours at her medical office. But now that she's basically on a 8 to 5 schedule and I'm basically never home, that's kind of taken a little detour. I don't get to play as much as I want to. You know, I mean, it's fun. It's going out, it's hanging out with your buddies, and you know, getting a little bit of exercise. And it's competitive, which I am very competitive. Let's see. When I picked up photography, like I've been into photography and video for a while. When I picked up my 15 Gixxer, I wanted to start motovlogging, and so, you know, went out, got the GoPro, got the mic, downloaded some editing program. I can't remember what it was. I think it was Corel Studios or something like that. Power Director. Started going on that. Got about 8 videos deep, and then work picked up, and so I really didn't have time. You know, kind of same thing as everything else. You know, work picked up. I found a new hobby. I found disc golf, and so I didn't want to dedicate my time to a YouTube channel, to creating videos and everything like that. So now it's my turn to call out 3 people that I want to see a similar video from. And so I'm actually going to break out of the motovlog community just a little bit. And my first one is going to be my boy Dave Tucker. Dave, I've been following your channel for a while, back when Tuck Force 1 was all disc golf, and now you're making this big live swing, and you're posting about it on Facebook and Instagram, and I'm loving it, man. I do want to see 3 things we may not know about you. I think that would be great. I also think it'd be a great way to kind of transition into this new channel that you're launching. So that's what I want to see from you, buddy. Second shout out is going to be the original Dante himself from right here in St. Louis. Actually found you on Instagram first when I was looking up St. Louis hashtags and whatnot, and you know, trying to learn the city when we moved here about 2 years ago. And yeah, I'm really digging your stuff, man. You always have awesome photos on Instagram. Checked out a couple of your videos on YouTube, and I do want to say that hopefully you watch this, you agree to do your 3x3, and we can actually collab and do some stuff together, maybe shoot a vlog out on the town or something like that. So next up, I think I'm gonna have to call out Mr. Adam 1K RR. Same story. Stumbled across you on the Instagram with the hashtags and everything. Then checked out your YouTube channel. Haven't seen too much lately, but I would love to see something from you, bud. So I'd say just go ahead, throw out 3x3, and I mean, that way y'all get to call out your next victims, I mean friends. So that's it, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share this video, share the page, share the link. I will have links to everybody's YouTube channel down in the description. And also don't forget to check it out on Instagram. All right, till next time.